What up YouTube? Welcome to another episode of One Hammer TV. So this weekend I'm turning 40 years old. Yeah, I'm 40. Yes, I might look like 31, but I'm actually 40. So my wife decided to treat me to a stay in Cancun, Mexico. And she booked the weekend for Coral, Coral level Iberostar. So today I'm gonna give you a quick preview of the room, preview slash review, and also a tour. So our room is at 4412, which is fourth floor. You do the maths. So the key entry is just a little plastic thing like this, mark Iberostar. Yeah, and all you gotta do, this keychain or this wristband, it give you access to everything on the resort. So what you do, you scan it, put it against, and that's it. When you first enter, you enter in this area. This area is like a holding area which we use to store our luggage. As you can see, we just arrived and we haven't unpacked as yet. So over here you'll have a mirror, a few drawer down here to store whatever you want to store. Over here, closet. So if you're getting married and you have your suit, you want to hang it up so it don't sile or crush. So this is the right place for it. The other side, we have a 2-shelf storage. Not sure what it is used to store, but on the bottom, we have a separate compartment where they store the safe. And of course, we already insert our passport and important documents in there. So now we're gonna turn to the right. And the right over here, we have the bathroom. This is one of the most fanciest bathroom I've ever seen staying at a resort. Okay, the light is on. Yes, so over here we have a shower. This shower is about 4x6 standing shower. On the bottom of the tile, they have where the water escape. Nice shampoo, body wash, and so forth. We haven't used that as yet, but we're gonna see what it's like tonight. And over here, there the throne. Yeah, we all know what you use the throne to do. The phone on the side right there. You can call room service while you're sitting on the throne. And over here, we have a double-sided sink. Is an herb, so we're gonna treat it as if we're at home. At home, I usually use this side, and Stacy use this side. This is Stacy. Stacy is one who made all of this possible, and we are just halfway in the video. Still gonna show you the rest. So over here, we have this fancy bathtub. Yeah. So it's embezzled, if that's the right word, in some sort of fancy stones. I don't even know the word to describe this, but yeah, it's stones and it's nice. Yeah. So far, this resort is at a level of 11. Yeah. So we're gonna take you where the magic will take place. When you come inside here on the right, we have a little kitchen counter. I guess the coffee maker, few plugs, wine glass, teacups. They said a mini bar is here. I guess this is it. So, mini bar is right here. Yeah, that's a mini bar. And know what's a good thing about this mini bar? Everything in it is free. You could drink and get a refill. And when you come inside here, we have couch over there, center table right here, and you can view the resort from this side. And yes, that's the another part of it. I'm not sure. Oh, that side over there is what that side called, is it?
Selection.
That's a selection. That's where family, they accept family over there. Is it's kids friendly, but unlike over here, it's not kids friendly, adult only. And over here, they have king size bed with that nice back. I don't know what that is, but all I know, there is some button over here that control the lighting. So whenever I press one of this, something different happen up there. Yeah, it's beautiful. And of course, last but not least, we are on the corner view, if that's what it's called. And outside here, we have this beautiful view going on. So you can enter from around there, come around here. And, that's a beach. It's a bit windy outside here now. And down there, you have this swim up bar, pool, swim over pool, whatever it's called, live DJs, snack shop, snack bar style. And on the balcony, we have this thing right here, a jacuzzi. It's not as big as a jacuzzi, but it's not as small as a tub. Exactly how the lady at the front desk described it. So it's big enough to fit two. So of course we're going to be checking that out later. But it's a little bit darker. So let's get this thing here closed. Yeah, so I'll definitely give this Iberostar 10 out of 10. So if you're looking for that perfect destination, don't hesitate to book Cancun Iberostar. And again, Cora level. And if you are new to this channel, thank you for tuning in. Thank you for staying to the end of the video. And please to subscribe, like, share, and also hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever we upload a new video. Thank you. Peace out. We love you all.
Peace. Thanks for watching.